Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Learning. Today, we're diving into something really cool, the top 5 apps that are going to help you absolutely crush it in English this year. We're talking about making learning fun, effective, and something you actually look forward to. So, if you're ready to level up your English game, stick around and let's jump right into it. First up, we've got Duolingo, the app that's revolutionizing language learning. Now, you've probably heard of this one, and for good reason. It's one of the most popular language learning apps out there. Duolingo takes everything you love about games, points, levels, even friendly competition, and turns learning English into something you actually want to do every day. Imagine earning points and leveling up as you master new words and phrases. The app is super user-friendly, and it breaks down complex grammar concepts into these bite-sized lessons that are easy to digest. You can learn at your own pace, whether you have 5 minutes or an hour. Plus, those daily streaks? They're like a motivational superpower, keeping you coming back for more. It's a great way to build a habit. Seriously, there's something so satisfying about maintaining a streak, and Duolingo really nails that feeling of accomplishment. It makes you feel like you're making real progress. It's like having a language learning buddy in your pocket, always pushing you to be your best. You can practice anytime, anywhere. Overall, Duolingo is a fantastic option for beginners, and anyone who wants to learn English in a fun, engaging way. It's perfect for those who want to make learning a new language a part of their daily routine. Next, we're moving on to something a little different, something that can truly transform your English learning experience. BBC Learning English. Now this one's all about immersing yourself in real-world English, the kind of language you encounter in everyday life. The kind you'd hear in news reports, documentaries, and everyday conversations. It's designed to help you understand and use English in a variety of real-world contexts. They've got this incredible library of high-quality video lessons covering everything from grammar and vocabulary to pronunciation and cultural insights. Each lesson is crafted to be engaging and informative. What's really cool is that they break down complex topics into manageable chunks, using clear explanations and tons of examples. This makes learning easier and more effective. And because it's the BBC, you know you're getting top-notch content from a trusted source. Their reputation for quality and reliability is unmatched. It's like having a direct line to some of the best English educators out there. Their expertise and passion for teaching shine through in every lesson. If you're serious about mastering the nuances of the English language, BBC Learning English is an absolute must-have. It's a comprehensive resource that can take your skills to the next level. Let's face it, nothing beats practicing your English with actual native speakers. That's where Hello Talk comes in. This app connects you with people from all over the world who want to learn your language, and in exchange they help you with English. It's like this awesome language exchange platform built right into your phone. You can have text conversations, voice calls, even video chats, whatever helps you build your confidence. And the best part is, you're learning about different cultures and making new friends along the way. It's a win-win. If you're ready to take your English skills to the next level and experience true language immersion, Hello Talk is the way to go. Okay, let's talk about writing. We all want to sound smart and confident in our writing, right? Well, that's where Grammarly Keyboard comes in. This app is a total game changer, acting like a super-powered spell checker and grammar guru all rolled into one. Imagine this. You're typing out an important email or working on a big project, and Grammarly is right there with you, catching those little mistakes and offering suggestions in real time. No more embarrassing typos or grammatical errors, just clear, concise writing that makes you look like a pro. Grammarly Keyboard is like having a personal editor on call 24/7, making sure your writing is always top-notch. Last but not least, we have Cake. This app is all about making English learning fun, engaging, and super convenient. With its user-friendly interface, Cake makes it easy for anyone to start learning right away. Cake uses these bite-sized video lessons, featuring clips from popular movies, TV shows, and even YouTube videos. These short, engaging clips make learning feel less like a chore and more like entertainment. It's like learning English from the content you already love to watch. Imagine picking up new phrases while watching your favorite scenes. Plus, they have interactive quizzes and games to reinforce what you've learned and keep you motivated. These activities are designed to test your knowledge in a fun and engaging way. Cake is perfect for those who want to learn English on the go, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. Whether you've got a few minutes to spare on your commute, during a break at work, or you're just relaxing at home. The flexibility it offers is unmatched. It's a fantastic way to pick up new vocabulary, improve your listening skills, and practice pronunciation. And even master those tricky English idioms. With Cake, learning English has never been more accessible or enjoyable. And there you have it. The 5 best apps to learn English faster in 2024. These apps offer a variety of learning styles and approaches, so you're sure to find one that fits your needs and helps you achieve your language goals. As a bonus tip, try to immerse yourself in English by watching movies and reading books in English. The more you surround yourself with the language, the faster you'll progress. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy English Learning for more tips and tricks. See you next time.